Good morning, children. We are having our math session. Okay. What we discussed yesterday? Did you write the notes that I sent yesterday? Rounding of numbers. Rounding of numbers. We learned rounding of numbers, rounding to the nearest 10 and nearest 100, isn't it? And I gave 3 questions as homework for rounding from exercise 1.5, page 19, 6, 7 and 8. I think you all did that answer, question also did that. Just I'll give the answer for that. We round off to the nearest 10. The homework question, the answers are 83, 489. We need to round off to the nearest 10. So underline the tens place and then find the digit in the ones place. So ones place is 9, it is greater than 5. Then you have to add 1 to the digit in the tens place, so that it becomes 9, 8 becomes 9 and put 0. Is this the answer you got? Again, next one is 100, yes, 100, 993. Round off to the nearest 10. For this, underline the digit in the tens place. Again, looking to the digit in the ones place, it is 3, which is less than 5. So no need to add no need to add anything to the tens place. Just keep the tens place as same. So it becomes 1009 itself. But the remaining ones place digit you have to put it as 0. And the one more question I gave it as homework, 5381. Okay. Again here the tens place digit we need to round off to the nearest 10. So the tens place digit is 8. So underline that 8. Then move to the digit in the ones place. Ones place digit is 1 itself, which is less than 5. So no need to change anything for the tens place digit. Keeps the tens place digit same and put 0 to the ones place. Okay, I think all the answers are correct. If you made mistake, please rewrite that. Okay. So now we'll move to the and also we have learned rounding numbers to the nearest 100 also, isn't it? So for hundreds place, so I'll just go through the rounding numbers to the nearest 100. So an example, round to the nearest 100. Round to nearest 100. Nearest 100. 673. Okay. This question, for this one we have to round off to the nearest 100. So you have to underline the digit in the hundreds place. Then you move to the you check the digit in the tens place, because the digit just comes after the hundreds place, because we need to round off to the nearest 100. So underline hundreds place and look to the digit in the tens place, which is just right of the hundreds place, and that is 7. So 7 is greater than 5. So we can round this number to 1,37,000. Since 7 is greater than 5, you have to add 1 to the digit in the hundreds place. So it becomes 7. Then the remaining digits you have to put 0. Okay. Now another one. How will you round off this one? Okay, I know you all know this one. Just give this one. Here we have 9 at the hundreds place, and the digit to the right of the hundreds place is to the right of the hundreds place is tens place. It is 5, and 5 is equal to 5. 5 or more. You have to consider 5 or more. So here is 5. Then if 5 is in the tens place, you have to add 1 to which digit? 1 to the hundreds place. So it becomes, when you add 1 to the hundreds place, what happened? 9 becomes 10. So that 1 should be carried over to thousands place. So this becomes 15. 27 becomes 28. When you add 1 to the hundreds place, which is 9 at the hundreds place, when you add 9, what happens? 9 plus 1, it becomes 10. So you can put 0 at the hundreds place, then the carryover 1 should be added to the carryover 1 should be hundreds place, so it becomes 10, and the carryover should move to carryover will come to the thousands place, so it becomes 7 plus 1, 28, 0. Then the remaining these two digits also you have to put 0. So we round off this one to which number? 15,28,000. Okay. Now this is how rounding to the nearest 100. Now we have to learn rounding to the nearest 1000. Rounding to the round off. This is the third section. Round off to the nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. Same rule we have to follow in rounding to the nearest 1000. Same rule which we learn for hundreds, rounding to the hundreds place, or rounding the number to the tens place. The same procedure we are going to learn, we are going to apply in rounding the numbers to the nearest 1000. So we'll do some with some example. First one, it's first example. Okay, this is the number. So we need to round off this number to the nearest 1000. So what is the first step you have to follow when the question is to rounding the numbers? You read the question properly and find out to which number we have to round, which place you have to round. Here the question is to round off to the nearest 1000. Then underline the digit in the thousands place. Which is the digit in the thousands place? 4 is in the digit in the thousands place. Okay, once you identify the digit in the thousands place, let it be there, then move to the digit or find out the digit which is next right of this thousands place. Which is the digit comes as in the right of the thousands place? That is the digit in the hundreds place. So you have to consider the hundreds place. I am writing the steps hundreds place digit. So we need to go for the digit in the hundreds place. So hundreds place digit is, which is the hundreds place digit? It is 3. Hundreds place digit is 3. Now the rule starts. What is the rule? If this 3 is less than 5, 3 is less than 5, there is no change in the digit in the thousands place. If the digit in the hundreds place is less than 5, there is no change in the digit in the thousands place. So this can be round off to, there is no change in the digit, change in thousands place digit. So you can keep 4 like that. Then the remaining, once you start rounding to the thousands place, then if there is no change, keep that digit same, and the remaining, what is the second step? Then put the remaining digits as zeros. Put the remaining digits as 0. So 14,385 is round off to the nearest 1000 is 14,000. It is 14,000. Is it clear? Same procedure. Second one. Okay, this is the one. So let me explain 2-3 questions. After that we will move for the interaction. Okay. So this is the question. We need to round off to the nearest 1000. So what's the first step? We have to underline the thousands place. Then move to the digit. Look at the digit in the hundreds place. Which is the digit in the hundreds place? Digit in the hundreds place is hundreds place. Hundreds place digit is, which is the hundreds place digit? Digit is 9. It is 9. So, when you want to round off to the nearest 1000, you have to go through the digit in the hundreds place. So, in the hundreds place is 9 and this 9 is greater than 5. If it is greater than 5, what we have to do? The rule starts. What is the rule? We have to add 1 to the digit in the thousands place. So, when you add 1 to the digit in the thousands place, it becomes 6 becomes 7. And the remaining digits are 0, 0, 0. Is that clear? So, we will move one more question. After that, we will go one more question. This is a question. Okay. So, we have to round off to the nearest 1000. First thing is you have to underline the digit in the, I think now by this time you are thorough with this rounding. Isn't it? Huh? You round off to the nearest 1000 means identify, underline the digit in the thousands place which is 1. Then go to the next digit which is the digit in the hundreds place. Hundreds place digit. Hundreds place digit is, which is the hundreds place digit. Hundreds place digit is 5. If it is 5 or more, if it is 5 or more, 5 is equal to 5, and if it is 5 or more, what we have to do? We have to add 1 to the digit in the thousands place. So it becomes 13 lakh, 2, 1 becomes 2, and then the remaining digits you have to put it as 0. Is that clear? So 13,21,519 is rounded to the we round off this number to the nearest 1000 as 13,22,000. It is 13,22,000. Is that clear? So we learn in the textbook it is we have to round off to the nearest 10, round off to the nearest 100 and round off the numbers to the nearest 1000. Okay, up to here is there, this chapter is over. So we'll do some questions. By the time, since you learned round up to the nearest 1000 till 1000, can I give, we'll just do some questions which we round off to the nearest higher places. Okay, that is not there in the textbook, but we will go through that also. So if you want to round off to the nearest lakhs place, nearest lakh, what do you have to do? Round off to the nearest lakh. So I'll give a question, round off to the nearest lakh. This is a question. Round off to the nearest lakh. How will you do this one? The same procedure we have to do for this one. Whichever place it is rounded, the question is asked to round off to whichever place, you have to follow the same rule. Which is what are the rules, or what is the first step involved? Identify. Here the question is to round off to the nearest lakh. We have to identify, we have to underline the digit in the lakhs place. Which is the digit in the lakhs place? The digit in the lakhs place is 6. Okay, then what is the next step? So you underline the digit in the lakhs place. Then the next step is you have to identify the digit in the, which is the digit next to lakhs place? It is 10,000. So the next digit is 10,000. 10,000 place. Digit is, place is, which is the digit? Sorry, it is 3. 10,000 place, it is 3. Okay. Now also then we have to follow the same rule. If this 3 is less than 5, if this 3 is less than 5, no need to do anything to the digit in the lakhs place. Just keep the lakhs place same, so that the number is 1, 4, we already underlined the lakhs place. So it is 6, there is no change in the lakhs place. Once you keep like 6 same, and then the next step is once you do whatever you have to do to the lakhs place by looking the 10,000s place. After that, you put all the remaining digits as zeros. All the remaining digits as zeros. So, 1,46,32,715 round off to the nearest lakh as 1,46,000. 1,46,000. Okay. One more question for higher rounding digits, place. Okay, this is the number. Can you read this number? 17 crore 95 lakh 62,315. The question is, round off this one, round to the nearest, round off to the nearest crore, to the nearest crore, round off to the nearest crore. So, you already learned till 1000, but the same procedure you have to follow to higher rounding numbers also, higher digits also. So in that case, you have to apply the same procedure. Okay. Now, if the question is round off to the nearest crore, what is the first thing you have to do? You have to underline the digit in the crow's place. So which is the digit in the crow's place? It is 7. Once you underline the digit in the crow's place, you move to the digit in the digit which is next right of crow's place. Which is the digit that comes, or which place is the right of crore? It is 10 lakh. So you have to identify, or you have to find out, you have to write the digit in the 10 lakhs place. 10 lakhs place, the digit is 9. 10 lakhs place, the digit is 9. Then what is the next rule? If 9 is greater than 5, 9 is greater than 5, 5 or more, same procedure. Then what we have to do? You have to add 1 to the digit in the crow's place. Okay, so that when you add 1 to the digit in the crow's place, it becomes 18. To understand or to identify it easily, we already underlined the digit. So, once you identify the digit in the 10 lakhs place, you can add, if you want to add, you can add to the digit in the underlined place, because we already underlined the digit. So here it is already underlined, so there will be no confusion. No confusion to identify the digit to which we have to add or not. Okay, so since we already underlined that digit in the crow's place, we add 1 to the digit in the crow's place, it becomes 8. Then what we have to do? Then after doing that procedure, after you did that procedure, then we have to put zeros to the remaining position. In the lakhs place, in the lakhs period, thousands period and ones period, you have to put zeros. So the 17 crore 95 lakh 62,315 round off to which number? Round off to the crow's place is which number? It is 18 crore. Okay. So whichever number comes and to whichever digit you have to round off, you can apply the same procedure. Which is a procedure? The question, you have to identify which digit. You underline the digit to which we have to round off. Then go to the next digit to the right of that underlined digit, and if it is 5 or more, you add 1 to the underlined digit. If it is less than 5, just keep that digit same, the underlined digit same. Then the last step is, after doing this, you have to put the remaining digits as zeros. So whenever, and this rounding of numbers, you are not stopping here, you have to apply this rounding of numbers till class 10. Okay, so this should be very clear. It should be very clear. You have to be thorough with rounding numbers. Okay, in higher classes, in all higher classes, we are applying this one. We have to do this rounding numbers, and there no one is going to teach you. So you should be thorough with this one, rounding of numbers. Since in the textbook it is only for till 1000, rounding of to till 1000, but the same procedure you can do for higher places. That is what we did here. Okay, is that clear all of you? Okay. Now this finished this chapter. So you have to go through this chapter thoroughly. You have to learn this chapter. Even if you think you know this chapter, please go through the chapter, learn the questions from which I gave as class, go through the classwork notes that I sent you, and learn properly and do the online test properly. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.